Why does your scanner show the P0088 engine code? What does it mean? P0088 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail or system pressure, too high. P0088 engine code indicates that there is high fuel pressure found in the fuel system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel pressure regulator, kinked or damaged fuel lines, blocked fuel filters, faulty fuel pressure sensor, faulty fuel pump, air in the fuel system, wrongly installed fuel filters. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai and Kia models with GDI engines. Similar problems have been seen on other Volkswagens, such as the Golf and Jetta, as well as Audi A4s and A6s. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.